Have you ever wondered about these fascinating facts? If so, this video is just what you need. 1. If you tell someone a significant secret, there's a 90% chance they will tell a close person even if they promised not to share it. 2. It's impossible to touch your right shoulder with your right hand. 3. The main reason perfumes were invented is that the French were famously known for hating to bathe, until someone invented perfume to cover their unpleasant smell. 4. There are 1,200 species of bats, but only 2 of them can walk on their feet. 5. Your fist will lose 50% of its strength if you lose your little finger. 6. Snakes are excellent swimmers, which is why you might find one emerging from your toilet.